Okay, so we have the Samsung Galaxy S21 or the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Those are two great options. Yes, and hello everybody! Hello, what's up guys? Long time no see, huh? Well, I'm here trying to buy a new cell phone. You know what? I'm trying to decide whether to buy an iPhone or a Samsung Galaxy S21. And actually, I was checking some information about the iPhone. And did you know that the first iPhone prototype was invented in 1983? That was like the first prototype ever for the iPhone. Also, it's really amazing that iPhones are used for 101 million users around the world. Just picture that. Wow, it's a lot of people using iPhones nowadays. I really love the iPhones, but you know what I really love from the Samsung Galaxy? The cameras. The cameras in the Samsung Galaxy S21 are really great. In fact, the Samsung Galaxy S21 are produced with the best camera lens in the world nowadays. It's like the best cameras on cell phones that you will ever find. So while I try to make a decision here on which phone I should buy, let's start our lesson and check the project for this second partial. Welcome, this is your teacher Richard. Let's begin. Okay. Hey darling, look at this photo. It was taken by me because I just wanted to see how Zero looked like this way. Oh, just a second. Hope you like it. Love you so much. XOXO. Hup. Done it. Hello everybody, how you doing guys? How are your vacations going on so far, huh? I hope you are enjoying this holidays time, and I'm sorry, but it's homework time. Remember, very petite homework, it's not that much. We are here today to talk about passive voice. Yes, passive voice. It's a principal topic in today's lesson for English 4. So, the passive voice is very simple. Remember, the important element for the passive voice is now the object that receives the action, not the person who does the action. This is super important. Remember that. Remember that in English we have active voice and also we have passive voice. For instance, in active voice, I have Dulce sings K-pop songs. Here, the person who does the action to sing is Dulce, and the object is K-pop songs. Now, when we change into passive voice, the important element now is not Dulce, it is K-pop songs. Now, they will receive the action. For instance, K-pop songs are sung by Dulce. This is the correct structure for passive voice in present. Now let's take a past simple example. Kenny danced K-pop choreographies. Kenny is the person who does the action to dance, and K-pop choreographies is the element that will receive the action. Let's change into passive voice. K-pop choreographies were danced by Kenny. Now we use were because it was in the past. So here we have the two different structures, present and past, for passive voice. So for present, we use the verb to be forms is for singular, are for plural, and the verb in past participle. For example, K-pop songs are sung by Dulce. Verb to be are, verb sing in past participle sung. For the past, we use the verb to be in past simple, was for singular, were for plural, and one more time, the verb in past participle. For example, K-pop choreographies were danced by Kenny. Were, as we have plural K-pop choreographies, and danced, past participle of the verb dance. See, it's super easy, super very papita. Now take these examples into consideration and remember the ones we check in class before we go into vacation, of course. And now, with your team, remember 6 to 8 members prepare a short video where you describe your favorite object by using present and past passive voice structures. For example, this is my Chrome computer. It was made by RCA brand. It is sold at Walmart online. It was produced in 2017. This little computer is used by me to prepare my lessons. See? Very papita. You prepare 4 different sentences, 2 in present and 2 in past, to describe your favorite object, what it is made of, where it is sold at, what it is used for, etc., etc. That's it for today, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed your vacations. But remember, don't go out, wear your mask, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.